Delirium. Introduction. Delirium is most often caused by another disorder or condition. Select true or false. Correct. Delirium is a complex set of signs caused by a health condition. The signs of delirium are few and well defined. Select true or false. Correct. Delirium has many complex signs. Which one of the following can cause delirium? Choose one of the following options. 1. Infections. 2. Poisons. 3. Severe pain. 4. Substance abuse or using recreational drugs and alcohol. 5. All of the above. Correct. Delirium can be caused by many different things. If a person had a gradual decline of mental capacity that keeps getting worse, is this dementia or delirium? Choose one of the following options. 1. Delirium. 2. Dementia. Correct. Since the decrease in mental capacities is gradual and permanent, it is most likely dementia. Elderly people who underwent surgery and are in intensive care are at high risk of developing signs of delirium. Select true or false. Correct. Medication is the only way to treat delirium. Select true or false. Correct. Delirium always has an underlying cause that must be treated before it will go away. Supportive care is the most effective way to treat delirium until the underlying cause has been treated. Thank you for using Explain.